Hello everyone, welcome to Readers IS. Today we'll be dealing with Polity and Governance mains syllabus. We'll analyze the main syllabus from the different angles so that a student can prepare the subject in a proper manner. If you want to prepare any subject, the first and foremost thing every student has to do is to have proper command over the syllabus. This command will come only if you will analyze the syllabus and understand it properly. So today's agenda of the class will be, first we will see the importance or the weightage of paper 2 in the UPSC total marks. Then in the second aspect of the lecture we will analyze the syllabus given by the UPSC. Then in the third part of the lecture we will deal with the subtopics in each and every topic given by the UPSC, so that you can prepare comprehensive notes not only just for prelims but also for mains. So let us begin our lecture. So in earlier class we have seen that the main examination consists of the two qualifying papers. Then we have seen that these are the papers whose marks are considered to prepare the merit list. Out of this there is General Studies paper 2 of 250 marks. Here you will find governance, constitution, polity, social justice and international relation. So we will deal with this subject properly. Now you will see the breakup of polity and governance, or how much marks this section of polity and governance carries out of 250 marks of GS2 paper. So you will find in that 2011 there were 111 marks out of 250 marks. This 111 marks were related to questions from governance, polity and constitution, and this is how in 2013 it was 100 marks. Then in 2014 it reduced to 88 marks. Then 2015 it was around 100 marks. Then finally you will see that in 2018 and 19, in both these years, this question paper consisted of 125 marks from polity and governance. So GS paper 2, which consists of total 250 marks, out of that half of the marks is from polity and governance. So from this you can understand the importance of the subject from mains point of view and in your final selection. So we will now continue with the second part of our lecture. In the second part of our lecture we will analyze the syllabus of UPSC.